ọfà tó má bà mí ò máa ń ṣọfà lásán. Ẹ̀yin ará ilé, ọfà ńlá ni o.
What a pity life. Àṣírí ikú Okemesi. What really happened to actor Bamidele Tope Saint? Yes, what causes the sudden cry of popular Nollywood actor Bamidele Tope Saint, popularly called Okemesi? What really happened to him? Was it ordinary illness? Was it medical complication? Or was there something deeper behind his sudden cry? Today, I'm going to walk you through everything we know about the shocking cry of Bamidele Tope Saint, popularly known as Okemesi. But please, I want you to stay with me till the very end because there is something many people are not talking about. And this one is painful, very painful. Let's begin. Who was Okemesi? Okemesi, whose real name is Bamidele Tope Saint, was a popular Nigerian comic actor. He was known for his unique acting style, his energetic delivery, and the way he make people laugh effortlessly. He featured in several Yoruba movies and was loved by many fans across Nigeria. But behind the laughter, there was a man reportedly battling serious health challenges. And unfortunately, those battles will later take a magic turn. Oh my God, ó ṣe. Ìròyìn àgbọ̀ fọwọ́ gbárí mú, àgbọ̀ làmì lójú gbérégbéré. Reports revealed that Okemesi died at about 11:50 a.m. at the hospital. According to the information circulating online, he had been in coma for a few hours before he was finally pronounced by. It was said that complications arose after drugs were administered to him at the hospital. Shortly after, fellow actor Tony Montana Jeff announced his death in a video shared on Instagram. In his emotional words, he said, "With a heavy heart, I am announced to the world that Okemesi is dead." The doctor pronounced him dead at exactly 11:50 a.m. this morning. Just like that. Just like that. Gone. Another Nollywood star lost. His body was later deposited into the mortuary. Marshall. Just the day before his death, Okemesi reportedly opened up about his struggling. He revealed that he had been battling serious health issues. He also mentioned that he lacked stable accommodation. Imagine that. A man who made people laugh. A man known across social media, struggling silently. Reports also said he attributed his prolonged illness to a spiritual attack. Now, whether that was spiritual, medical, or both, we may never fully know. But one thing is clear. He was going through a difficult season, and sadly, help may not have come earlier enough. Since the news broke, many Nigerians have asking questions. What exactly caused the complications? Was it medical negligence? Was his condition already critical? Could this have been prevented? At this moment, there is no official detailed medical report publicly released explaining the exact causes beyond reported complications. And this is important. We must be very careful not to spread unverified information. When tragedy happened, emotions runs high, but facts matter. What we know for sure is this: he was sick, he was hospitalized, he went into a coma, he was pronounced dead at 11:50 a.m. and now the industry mourn Okemesi. This painful incident also opened a bigger conversation. How many entertainers are silently struggling? How many comedians hide pains behind laughter? How many actors face health challenges without support? The Nigerian entertainment industry often celebrate people when they are trending. But what happened when the camera are off? These are questions we must reflect on. Okemesi may be gone, but the memories remain, the laughter remain, the impact remain. To his family, friends, and fans, we send our deepest condolence. May God forgive his shortcomings. May his soul rest well. And if you are watching this right now, if you are struggling silently, please speak up. Please seek help. Your life matters more than pride. Before you go, please kindly drop RIP for Okemesi. Let's honor him with love, and don't forget to like this video. Share it so others can hear the full story, and subscribe for more responsible and respectful updates. Rest well, Okemesi. Gone, but not forgotten.